Hey, what's up LNC fam? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Dr. Vlad is in the house, and today we got a new project, Aston Martin. Minor damage to the rocker, and we gotta repair 4 wheels, so we'll take a closer look in a minute. First of all, I want to say a big thank you to every single one of you guys for subscribing, for showing so much love. You guys are just rock star. Thank you very much. And if you're new to this channel, make sure you guys subscribe. New projects comes out weekly, every week something new, so you guys don't want to miss out. So enough of this talk, and let's get to work. Alright, let's take a closer look at this beauty. So yeah, like I was saying, all 4 tires got some curb rashes, so we're gonna send them out and get them reconditioned. Same with this one, as you guys could see. Let's check the other side. Same with this side, little curb rashes everywhere. And let's check out this side. Boom, as well. So all 4 wheels, we're gonna remove them and send them out for a recondition. And let's take a look at the rocker. As you guys could see, the rocker got damaged right here. It split, so we're gonna just replace a new one. And that's it, and the car will be ready to go. Quick turnaround, wheels takes about 3 days, and we're gonna paint the rocker right now and replace it real quick. So we'll put the car in the lift, remove the wheels, send them out, and boom, we should have them back in a few days. So let's go take a closer look at the rocker. Here's the new rocker, brand new. So we'll just spray it real quick and install it, and we'll be good to go. We removed the wheels, so we're gonna send them out. We got the wheels back. They look like brand new. All 4 wheels were reconditioned completely, so no more curb rashes. So we're gonna install them real quick right now and change the rocker molding that we got. installed all the 4 wheels. I got my stand, so right now I'll lift it up and I'll put it on my stand so I could change the rocker molding right here, rocker panel, and none of those arms will be in my way because there's a couple screws at the bottom holding it. So yeah, raise it up, put it on the stand, and you got all the room in the world to work. So if you have those, I highly recommend, or if you don't, I highly recommend you get them. And here's the new rocker molding. So we'll replace it real quick, and the car is ready for a wash and a quick detail. Okay, I put the car on the stand and this is how it looks. So now I got all the room in the world to change this rocker. So yeah, bunch of screws underneath. So I'm gonna remove everything, change it out, and boom, take the car down, and that's it. So in order to get to the rocker, I had to remove the wheels again. Had 1, 2 screws up here and 2 bolts up here. So 2 bolts up in the back and 2 bolts in the front. And now the rocker is loose, so we could remove it and put a new one. And we're finished with the car, so I'm gonna go around and torque the wheels, and we're good to go. Alright, we're officially finished with this Aston Martin. Everything came out great. Car looks amazing. So we reconditioned 4 wheels, replaced the rocker molding, and the car is ready, washed, detailed, and ready for delivery. So if any of you guys live in Orange County or Southern California area, if you guys need any work done, please reach out to us. We'll be more than happy to help you out. So for now, if you're new to this channel, make sure you guys subscribe, turn on your notification, because we got new content every week, new project, so you guys don't want to miss out. So we'll end the video here. Thank you so much, and I'll catch you guys in the next build. Peace.